Hello everyone. Now the circles exercise 12.2 question number 1. Recall that the two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that equal chords of the congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers. So first of all we have to understand what is given in the question. What do you mean by the congruent? Here a word has given as congruent. So what it means by the congruent? If they are having the same shape and the same size, if they coincide to each other, then they are called as congruent. So when the two circles will be congruent if they have the same radii. Radii means if both the circles are having the radius. If suppose one circle is we are taking C1 and the one circle we are taking as C2, they both will be congruent if and only if their radius is same. अगर यहाँ आपका C2 का radius 3 है और C1 का radius 3 है, then only they will be coincide. अगर आप एक के ऊपर एक उसको प्लेस करोगे then they will be exactly same. So that's why we can say the two circles will be congruent if their radius is same. अगर एक radius 3 है and second circle का radius 5 है, तो when we will place on one another they will not coincide. एक वाला छोटा होगा तो एक वाला बड़ा होगा. That's why तो कंडीशन क्या है सर्कल्स के लिए? when they will be congruent if they have the same radius. अगर दोनों का radius same है then only they will be called as the congruent circles. That is your first point. The second what it is given, prove. तो क्या prove करना है आपको? That equal chords. अगर दो circles के chords equal हैं then they subtend the equal angles at their centers. So let us see the solution now what it is asking. तो सबसे पहले this is your rough work. Okay. Only for understanding congruent circles we have done that. So let C1 and C2 are the two congruent circles with center O and O dash. So two circles we are considering which are the congruent circles, means they will be exactly same if you are placing on one another, and one circle we are taking as center O and one we are taking it as O dash. So what it is asking now, equal chords of congruent circles. So if the two chords are equal, chord matlab if any 2 points we are joining on the circle, that is called as chord. So first circle we are taking the chord as AB for C1, and for C2 we are taking the chord as X and Y. So what we have to prove in this question, they subtend equal angles at their centers. So on center they will subtending the equal angles. So we have to prove these two angles what we are getting at the center are equal. So let us see this how we can prove that. In triangle, what the two triangles are given, AOB and triangle XO dash Y. These are the two triangles we are considering now. Now what we can say here, as it is given the chords are equal, so AB is equals to XY. As the chords are equal, it is given the both the chords are equal, then AO is equals to XO dash. Why they will be equal? Because they are nothing but the radii of the congruent circles. दो circles congruent है मतलब their radius will be definitely equal. वो congruent circle का condition ही ये है कि दोनों का radius same रहना है. That's why we are taking they as equal. Radii of congruent circles. क्योंकि circles congruent है, that's why the radius are equal. So the next side we can take BO is equals to, ये वाला BO YO dash के equal है. Again the same reason, radii of the congruent circles. As the circles are congruent, the radii are equal. So now we are applying the congruency rule here. All the three sides are equal means it will be SSS congruence rule. Therefore the triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle XO dash Y by using SSS congruence rule. By using SSS congruence rule, both the triangles are congruent. When their triangles are congruent, definitely their parts will be equal. All the three corresponding parts and all the three corresponding angles must be equal. So we can say here, therefore the angle AOB is equals to the angle XO dash Y. So what was given in the question? Already it is given that the two chords are equal, which are nothing but AB is equals to XY. And what we need to prove? We have to prove that angle subtend. Angle subtend मतलब it is nothing but AOB, सेंटर पे जो एंगल है यहाँ पे क्या है XO dash Y. तो यही आपको प्रूव करना था. So which is your required result? It's nothing but the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Therefore we can say equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the center. So what you need to write here? Therefore equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. So only the thing you have to remember, two circles will be congruent if they are having the same radii, and after that just we had applied the congruency rule to prove the given result. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.